here 3 days? You've been out here 3 days and you've already found 2 of my hottest spots. 5th Street for crack and coke, 13th Street for prostitution. Something you've been arrested for. I'm going to tell it to you like this. You got kids? How many kids you got?
Okay, this here is a Master 6621 with the Schlage cylinder. Here's the key, here's the core, here's the lock. I'm going to pick it with a small diamond. Sometimes it's hard to get this tension wrench just where you want it.
You're not going to be prostituting down here. I mean, you need to get to a payphone, you need to call your sister, and you need to get out of here. Because down here is nothing but bad for you. Alright? You gotta do something about yourself.
Let me adjust this tension wrench just a little bit better. Sometimes it's hard just to get it just right.
She's still got time, maybe she'll learn her lesson. Williams is back now, getting out.
There we go. It's open.
It's been a busy night, rained earlier, so business starting to pick up now. It's dried off, getting hot out here. People will start to come out and play around.
This one here is the Master Pro Series 7040. Here's the key for that.
I know that ain't my girl up there. Oh yeah, I was right. Step out. Step out. Roll around.
Same thing, half small diamond.
Just step over here to my car. Put your hands on my car. Step here into the rear of my car.
Okay, just reached the fault set. Let me reset it.
Listen to me. I just got finished talking to her. She just told me she's a prostitute. Why was she in the car and don't?
I don't know what's with these
She was going to the store.
4-pin masters, but I kind of have a hard time picking them. But the high security ones with the spool pins, I don't know why, but I have an easier just picking them ones. They're a lot easier. But actually, I did this one.
He's got a restricted driver's license. He's revoked right now for DUI.
Got marijuana joint and smoking in this car. Cool boy. Isn't that right? Yeah, that was.
Let me ask you something. Who's got two?
I was just going down the street.
Okay.
And she said, hey.
Okay.
And that's when I stopped. And said what did she want? And she asked me to take her to the store.
Okay. So what's your story?
You stopped me, yeah, because I was saying I was like, no, you can't use the store.
What do you mean, was you doing anything?
I guess if I was working.
I picked that one, but
I just warned you about this stuff down here. And then
this is an Abus disc lock. These are pretty easy to pick.
basically, and you still get in the car.
I was already in the car. I asked you for a ride to the store.
No call for favors, no nothing.
He said, are you sure? And I said, I'm sure. He's dropped me off at the store.
So we have this other officer, but as right now, you are revoked for DUI, and that is by law an arrest.